Hi everyone, welcome to Apocalypse Chow, episode 4. We're doing our gyoza. I'm the good Greek, this is Ina, and this is our cookery class. Hang on.
Bitches!
Yay! So, apocalypse all the time. Anyway, there you go.
That's a nice bit of kit.
Yeah, I love this thing. It's so cool. Alright, so this is what we're doing. We're stuffing our gyoza with this stuff.
Stuffing our gyozas!
Okay,
With stuff!
so whatever you fancy.
Whatever you fancy.
Things you think go together.
Things can go together. Sorry.
So, we've done one. We're one in.
One in.
And this one has sauerkraut,
Oh shit.
bacon.
I did my hand something.
Please excuse my partner. It is the apocalypse after all. It's sauerkraut, bacon, and garlic mushrooms. That's the first one. We got loads of stuff. This is my dough left over from the pie, which I'm reusing. Reuse, don't waste. Behind me is the green stuff. We're going to use that. Yeah, we'll make some more dough. Maybe more people will show up. Who knows? I was always a bit last minute. I'm going to do this next Monday as well. Monday, whatever the date is next Monday. Does anyone know what the date is next Monday? Hang on.
Is next Monday gonna...
The 6th. Is she right?
Yeah, she is.
She's right. It's the 6th. Monday the 6th. We're going to do this again. Okay? You could be here with 100 people maximum, and we could do fun stuff together.
Woohoo!
Okay, so we're going to make some dumplings. We'll show you what we made, and we'll talk them through in a minute. See you. Hi. Welcome back to the Good Greek. Last one for Apocalypse Chow. It got too apocalyptic. So we're finishing off with our gyoza. Oh, hang on. Yes. And we're stuffing them. This one's not a good one. It's got a hole in it. But these are good. Sorry. Go on, show them off. They're yours. Ina's been making these.
They're not really pretty. That one's cute though. They're like Russian dumplings.
But here's our bits. You know, our gyoza casings. Anyway, so that's 240 grams of flour and boiling water, about a cup. Okay, and then you make it doughy, sticky, but not too sticky. All right, so about a cup of water, glass, but put it in slowly. Just get it right. You can look it up on YouTube. We sort of missed filming that bit, but it's fine because it's easy. And then you make these, and then you stuff them with whatever you like. So that's what we're doing. Okay. All right. Great. We'll show you. We'll show you the end result when we're done. And also, actually, last thing, we're going to do some carrot jam because someone asked for that. We'll do that in a different episode. And then a carrot cake, which we're going to also do with the carrot jam. So carrot episode. Okay. See you soon. Bye. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Good Greek. We're cooking with my friend Keely, and it's her birthday. And this is a birthday party online. Isn't it great? I love the isolation stuff. You'd never do this without this going on. Happy birthday. Just want to quickly show you. Oh, I spilled the champagne. Okay. It's apocalyptic.
He always does that.
It's apocalyptic cooking show. They're laughing at me. I don't care what anyone thinks. Okay. Here's the finished product. There you go. Nice. We're going to eat it. What? Okay. Really good. Okay, so that's gyoza, carrot jam, carrot cake in the next one. Alright, bye.